I'm Yukta Shrestha of class 8. As you know, you assigned us by giving us project work for second term. You gave us different topic for different students. Among them, you decided to provide me you a short video on the topic Thabathali Engineering Campus. Let's begin it. Its formal name is Technical Training Institute. Its type is public co-educational. It was established in 29 February 2023 BS. Parent institution is Institute of Engineering, Tribhuvan University. Its campus chief is Janardhan Bhatta. Address. Its address is Thabathali, Kathmandu, Bagmati, Nepal. Its language is based on English and Nepali. History. In the presence of late King Mahendra, late Dr. Heinrich Leo, President of Federal Republic of Germany, inaugurated Technical Training Institute on 29th of February 2023 BS. In 2023 BS, with the help from Government of Federal Republic of Germany, with the sole of objectives of producing trained persons and technicians needed for the development of the country. From 2029 BS, this Technical Training Institute was renamed as Thabathali Campus under Tribhuvan University and known as Institute of Engineering. Is known to Institute of Engineering. Thabathali campus started diploma in mechanical engineering and diploma in automobile engineering in 2023 BS, and later on diploma in electronic engineering and diploma in computer engineering started from 2058 BS. Campus introduced Bachelor in Industrial Engineering in 2062 BS, Bachelor in Civil Engineering in 2066 BS, Bachelor in Electronics and Communications in Communications Engineering 1067 BS, Bachelor's in Mechanical Engineers in 2068 BS. Again in 2071 BS, Bachelor in Automobiles Engineering in 1072 BS, and Masters in Mechanical Designs and Manufacturing in 2073 BS also. Introduction. Thabathali campus is also known as Thabathali Engineering Campus is also known as Thabathali Engineering Campus. Thabathali Engineering Campus is one of the 5 constituent engineering campuses of Institute of Engineering, which is an independent institution for engineering studies of Tribhuvan University. It is located at the center of Kathmandu city. It was established to develop middle-level manpower in the field of mechanicals and automobile engineering, which upgrades its programs to bachelor's and master levels along the course of time. For bachelor studies, it offers architecture engineering, automobile engineering, civil engineering, computer engineering, electronics and communication engineering, industrial engineering, and mechanical engineering. And for masters, it offers Master of Science in Automobile Engineering, Master of Science in Mechanical Design and Manufacturing Engineering, and Master of Science in Information and Intelligence Systems Engineering. It is a governmental college and funded by the government of Nepal. Students are admitted by priority selections according to their score in IOE entrance exam. Total intake in bachelor level is 384 students per year, and total intake in master level is 40 students per year. Courses: Bachelor's Industrial Engineering, Automobile Engineering, Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communications Engineering, Architecture. architecture and computer engineering. Masters, Master of Science in Mechanical Design and Manufacturing Engineering. Master of Science in Information and Intelligence System Engineering. Master of Science in Earthquake Engineering. Mission, vision and objectives of Thapathari campus. Vision: to be a pioneer engineering educational institute with latest technology through higher involvement in research and development. Mission: to provide quality education in the field of engineering for enhancement of human resources to develop the nation. Goals: enhance academic excellence, establish governance, ensure finance sustainable, establish national and international collaboration and cooperation. Thank you.